Kayo, sa amin pinapapitbit. Ang lalaki ng muscle
Today
ko.
we
Wala
are
ba ako?
playing ML2.
Gano'ng kabigat yung bro, ilang kilo, bitbit ko, bumiyahe ako. Bigat-bigat ng bag ko. Tapos kaya may locker. Ba't wala tayong locker? Pwede pala yun.
Siyempre, doon mo iiwan yung mga pinapadalang essential kit, med kit, toothbrush, toothpaste,
Pero di kami niya.
Pizza.
Hygiene kit.
hygiene kit.
Yun, hygiene kit.
No, I like this ice cream. Oh
Mandi
no,
ka,
this is
tapos din.
good.
Tapos kapag mag-uugas ka na kamay, kakantahan mo na happy birthday.
Ba't nagdadala ng medkit? Wala yung clinic. Kami may clinic kami. Kahit anong masakit, lagyan mo ng Efficacy. Hindi. May coach din ako eh.
Is the game's done?
Kaya mag-shopping si Miss Rich Kid. Mag-shopping mo ba?
The game's done. The game's done. By the way, this game names ML2 if you want to play it.
Madam, maraming salamat.
On
Kaya kayo
by
guys,
the rest of the two and ML2. If you are Roblox select, you are
Madam, salamat ha.
Wala eh.
you can play this. If you're Roblox kids, you're not play this because this is moderate. Contains killing people. There was an innocent sheriff and murder. An innocent. Yeah.
Thank you po.
You're only to do surviving, and if the sheriff died, you get the gun and shoot the murderer. The murderer. If you shoot the murderer innocent, you are here there. And so you can win. You're gonna win. Oh, somebody died.
Tinama ko yung kapatid ko
Mr.
guys para...
Snake. Oh my god. She have a ninja. Yes. Yes. Listen to that. This game contains powers, knife, and like this knife. Cool knife. And collect coins to build. Collect crates with this like this. Oh, somebody's trading. Oh, I forget. You can trade here too. Na.
Mas excited ka pa sa mga toys kaysa sa kanya eh. Happy ka nga. Sabi mo.
Oh, what is this? Oh, I love this. I love this. It's trading.
O dito, magkakasundo na raw tayo sa pata. Grade 1 na alas Lopez ka.
Bro, sorcerers.
So mula grade 1 hanggang
And
pagtanda mo.
sheriff,
Dahil matibay ang matos,
you
yun na
know
rin
the
yan.
sheriff, right?
Hindi, syempre.
He killed the
Murderer.
murderer.
Matibay.
Syempre, lumalaki yung paa mo.
Dapat, grade 1 pa lang, binilang ka na ng malaki kasi lalaki pa
He's
naman
like,
yung paa
how
mo.
did you buy,
Tatangkad
bro?
kami next year. So, sobrahan mo na. Di ba ganun sa inyo?
Taon-taon ako binibilan eh.
Wala, hindi nyo naranasan yung...
Oh, who's the sheriff again? Oh, thank you, Mr. Sheriff. Oh.
Yung mga hero
The murderer do kill all the innocent and sheriff
sasama-samahin mo yung...
and dodge all the bullets
for next
from the
Di
sheriff.
mo naranasan yun? Or napupunaw mo naman
Murder inventory is
Pero ano, pinamimili
you have to throw,
Oh, generous.
stab.
Generous. Parang burgis.
Pero alam ko yun. Ibang
There
minsan
have a
to na
skill
nasa public
of the
ginagawa
murder.
nila yun.
Spam jump, camper, trap user, ninja user, and sprint user.
Kasi sayang yung
Is
mga page, makalahati na
camper.
nagamit mo rin ilang pages pa. Tatanggalin mo lang yung spring ng notebook. Tapos
The
pagsasama-samahan mo siya,
murderer
pwede mong itahin
have
ang
a
yarn or
ninja.
ibalik mo yung
Oh.
spring.
Oo, nakikita ko
May
din.
bago ka ng
Bro, another
notebook for
innocent
next year,
again.
na hindi mo na kailangan
Yes.
bumili. Gastos
Okay,
din
let's
naman. Buti pa
survive
kami
this.
natuto kayo resourceful.
Kaya minsan gusto ko silang tulungan.
See?
Yarn. Lang kasi ito ko.
I don't have a shit.
Every school year, bumibili yan nun. Kung saan bumibili?
National
Nasa
bookstore.
bookstore. Anong notebook?
Where's the money?
Stapler? Ayun, yung pag
I want
pinulit mo yung
to-
ano, yung
I want
kabilang
to
side,
collect the
matatanggal
gun.
na rin yung kabilang dulo.
With the
Notebook namin
I want to
dati,
pick up the
may cover
gun.
ng galing sa school.
Every subject, iba-iba rin ang kulay.
when the sheriff there.
Red, mat, color blue.
Colorful naman ang bag mo.
Let's jukes the
Parang
man.
pag open mo yung bag mo, araling panlipunan. Brown yung notebook ko doon. Di mas madali mong makuha.
Pare-pares yung cover. Parang ang nakalagay
Oh,
ng logo.
the bird is there. Oh, let's jukes the bird.
Oo, pare-pares.
Hindi mo naranasan yung mga Captain Bar, Dana, Gagampoy. Yan na, ang probinsyano.
Notebook mo si ano.
Ito ko Victor Montanggol.
Bro!
Mga private school di sa public.
Hindi ko alam, pero marami kaming advanced na tinuturo.
Oo, grade 1 pa lang kami, pang grade 6
Bro,
na kayo.
serious? I get fall out the
Wala,
yacht.
pero may cream section kami.
Criminology.
Sila yung
By the way,
mga matatalinong student.
thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye!